Hamza, Mr. Whitestone, Connecting Nagong, Black Chain, 2020 in the Mbambe shit.
I'll be fucked, cause I'm about ignorant. Utolenyi up, and now you ignore.
Ngoko besa spina when I get lobo soloko una story. Sometimes when I call the banjo zechome, the next day sesinya a story. Tanga ndakuyeka ngoba nakanyawo sole nendomna noyimela kwaphele lapho ngombe sifuba ngami okanye womndiqhatha wafuna nje ndiveka mnandi.
Purchase your tracks
lento
today.
yenza gom nawe izokujikela izophinda yenziwe go khazibuze ngesiphi bawungazange uvume enye itsotsi kwaphele lapho uthatha iselfie olave dave kanti zibona ezo pics vele sindenze nari angomr right anzenze right kodwa le nento yenzileyo wena ayikho right sogqiba yakulahla le tsotsi yakwenza ikhimri sogqiba ndithi I'll be fucked cause I'm was ignorant utolenyi and now you ignore ngoba ngeke ubaqede bonke wayongavelo bayeke ngoba bebe semhambile abantu so ndasinceda ndimyeke.
Purchase your tracks today.
Ukusukela kudala kadukele benpanca ebesithi uyandlala bamenza ibhola bamdlala belithi malishoni langukela umbone khwela imoto Ben man and petrol stress every fucking day aji baby I'm so baby muni never clapping every night and a mali esisui nebe lambi ayimdala nebe ntani uzenzi ule namjanja bale musugun papel ilanga libale bazokudlala laba bantu babiza ngamaplesa kwaphela ishori kodwa wena zonikumbula.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'll be fucked cause I'm was ignorant utolenyi and now you ignore ngoba ngeke ubaqede bonke wayongavelo bayeke ngoba bebe semhambile abantu so ndasinceda ndimyeke.
Purchase your tracks today.
Uqala kwami ukubona wena wayithatha inhliziyo yami zange ngiqonde uzodlala ngami kohlukane nawe kela nizisoli ngoba ndakubona khathala ukuba wena wengithandi nge-25 man peyileyo uhamba nami phela kwemali yami hamba nechomi zakho xa ndikufonela uthi hello ugqiba kwakho wena kela udrope nefone noba ubundibhanga into endiyaziyo ubundincoma everyday baby khumbula ndikuvusa ngo-6 ekuseni xa sihamba ndikubambe esinqenda vele ndatyhafa that day ndikubona uqitika kolinye ibhima elimhlophe xa ndikubiza wavele wathi kum awuthi wena ne-broke niggas.
I'll be fucked cause I'm was ignorant utolenyi and now you ignore ngoba ngeke ubaqede bonke wayongavelo bayeke ngoba bebe semhambile abantu so ndasinceda ndimyeke.